get this top side welded on. I went ahead and nibbed off these spot welds I had on the top, because they were just temporary spot welds. Yeah, it's in there for sure. Moving right along, and I also made a template of this corner because it's only going to be like, I don't know, 2 inches wide here, but it gets wider. So we're going to do this corner and start with that, then finish up with the rest. Alright. That's all I got for you tonight. Throwing little sparklies. Yeah, y'all go work on your projects, and you catch me on the next video and see where we get from there.